you've been using AI to extract data from documents, a natural question might be, how much should I trust this result? With Box AI Extract, confidence scores provide a probabilistic measure of extraction accuracy at the field level. I'm Andrew, Senior Developer Advocate here at Box. Let's check it out. Now, here are the two files we're going to be working with. This first image might be a bit challenging. It could be a little bit clearer, for example. And actually, some of the text looks like it's pretty obscured. We're also going to try out the second image over here, which looks, at least to me, maybe a little bit cleaner and a bit easier to read. Over in Postman, we're going to be using the extract structured endpoint and extracting against an enterprise metadata template. In this case, it's identifications. Now, to include confidence scores, we're going to add a single parameter to the request. So down over here, we have include confidence score true. What we're going to do is run the same request twice and only change the file. Let's start off with the first image that we saw. We'll hit send. Now in the response, if I expand this, you can see the extracted values along with the confidence score object for each field. So down over here, each confidence score is the value between 0 and 1 that estimates the likelihood that the extracted field value is correct. Here, some fields actually have a lower confidence, reflecting the ambiguity in the image. Now, in this other tab, let's now run the exact same request again, but switch to a different image. We'll hit send. And if we expand the response body, down over here, we can see higher confidence scores for more of the extracted fields. The document is clearer, and the confidence scores reflect greater certainty for those values. So again, what's important here is that the request didn't change and the schema didn't change. The only thing that changed was the input. That is, the images, and the confidence scores reflect that. Now, these scores aren't guarantees. Even a high score just means that the model is likely correct. But they're useful because they show you exactly where the model feels confident and where it doesn't, which is exactly what you need if you're building human-in-the-loop workflows. This way, instead of reviewing everything, you can focus your attention where it actually matters. For more on all things extract at Box AI, check out our docs. I'm Andrew, Senior Developer Advocate here at Box. See you next time.